Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to check the FFmpeg installed version inside your terminal. So first of all, you just need to make sure you write FFmpeg. If the command is successful, then you have automatically installed FFmpeg. It will print out the version as well, FFmpeg version 7.1.1. If you just want to print out only the version, you simply write FFmpeg dash dash version, and this will print out only the version right here, you will see. And now if you are wondering where FFmpeg is installed in my system, you write this command, where FFmpeg. So if you write this command, it will exactly tell you the exact location where FFmpeg is installed inside your system. So just if you want to open this, you copy this location, and so just go to your PC and simply paste this location. So just paste the folder right here. So it's, you can see it is present in this directory. So in this easy way, just run this command, where FFmpeg. So it will tell you the exact location where it is installed, and then you can look at all these executables. This is your FFmpeg main executable, ffprop, ffplay. So if you still doesn't have FFmpeg installed, you go to their official website, download FFmpeg, just install it. It's a cross-platform software. It's available for Linux, Mac and Windows. Simply select your operating system and simply install this, and in this easy way you can cross verify after you installed it. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.